discuss exercise 2.3 and first question is let n be the set of natural number and the relation are defined on n such that this is the relations x y such that y is equal to 2x x y belong to natural number. We have find domain, codomain, range of function and also tell that this is a function yes or a no. So now here is given relation is y is equal to 2x. X belong to natural number, y belong to natural number. So now we put the value of x is equal to 1, 2, 3 belong to natural number. In this y is equal to 2x here first. If we put the value of 1, 2, 3 up to so on these number, we get the value of 2, 4, 6. These are also the natural number, but these are even natural numbers. So now we have find the domain of these numbers. So now in domain of these numbers, these are the relations x. Value of x is 1, 2, 3 up to so on. Y is 2, 4, 6 up to so. Every element of these function. Now x is called the domain of these function. Now this domain of this function is a natural numbers. So now this is say that domain of this function is a natural number. Now we have find the codomain of these function. Now this function is say that mapping of this function is x to y. So now we put the value of x is in this relations y is equal to 2x. We have find the value of y and y is also a natural number. Then the domain or codomain of this number is also a natural number. And y is called the range of this function. And range of this function is also say that even natural number. So now range of this function is even natural number. Now we discuss this function is a function yes or no. Every element of x have at least one pre-image in a y. Here we look this 1 associated to 2 associated 4, 3, 6 up to so. Then every element of x associated with element of y, then this is your a function. So this is your question number first. In question number second, say that x value is 1, 2, 3, 4. Y is 2, 4, 6, 8. Classify the following set of ordered pair as function or not x to y. We are given a functions. The value of x is 1, 2, 3, 4. And the y value is 1 and 2. So now we check every element of x have at least one pre-image in y, then it is a function, otherwise not. Now we check 2, 3, 4, 2, 1, it is the pair given 2, 1, 3, 1 and 4, 2. Now 2 is associated 1, 3 is associated 1 and 4 is associated 2. Now element of x in x element of 1 have not associated with a y. In the definition of functions we tell that every element of x have at least one pre-image. कम से कम एक एलिमेंट से तो जुड़ा हुआ होना चाहिए, दो से भी जुड़ सकता है, लेकिन यहाँ x का ये एलिमेंट इधर किसी भी एलिमेंट से जुड़ा हुआ नहीं है, तो then this is not a function. This is the first type we have discussed in this. Now it is given x is 1, 2, 3, 4, y is equal to this value 1, 2, 4, 6 is given this. Every element of x 1 is associated with 2. This is 2, 2, 4, 3, 6, 4, 8 and this. All element of x is associated with every element of a y. It means x के प्रत्येक एलिमेंट y के कम से कम एक एलिमेंट से जुड़े हुए हैं. इधर x के अंदर कोई भी एलिमेंट ऐसा नहीं है जो y से जुड़ा हुआ न हो. तो then this is the function. Yes, this is the function. Other parts of these third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh are same as these. We have tell these part also these are the function or a no. In question number 3rd, say that a function which mapping x to y and such that x is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, y is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 13. Now it is the relation y is equal to 2x minus 1. Find the all element of these function. It means these fx functions. Now it is given the value of x. Now we put the value of x 1, 3, 5, 7 in first fx functions. Then we obtain the value of y's. If we put 1, we get 1. If we put 3, then 5, 5 to 9, 7 to 13. Now the element of these functions are, we put the value of x is 1, we find the value of y is 1. This is the set of ordered pair. This is the first element of x, this is the element of y. Then 3, 5, 9, 7, 13. These are the element of these functions. Number 4, fx is the function of x 4x square plus 2x minus 3. It is given by the rules fx equal to 4x square plus 2x minus 3. We have find the value of f2, f minus 1, f into fa. We have already solved this type question in class 9. But in class 9, he tell that we put the value of x directly in these functions. But here the value of given is fx function. It is also related to class 9. Now we put x is equal to 2 in the given function in first. If we put the value of x is equal to 2, 4 into 2 square plus 2 into 2 minus 3. Then we solve it, we have find the value of this 70. It means 270. It is the relations. Then we put x is equal to minus 1 in these functions. So then we have find the value of this. Now we solve this 4 into minus 1 square plus 2 into minus 1 minus 3. Then we solve this function, we have find the value of minus 1. After this we have put the value x is equal to 1. We replace x is equal to a. So then we put x is equal to a in this function. In last type, this is your type of this function into fa. It means first of that we solve this type of function. In this type of function, first we put x is equal to 1. Then we put x is equal to given function in first. We have find the value of x is equal to 3. Now this is say that f into f1. Now this is the value of f1 is 3. So now we put the value of f3. Now 3 x is equal to 3. Put in this first again. So then we put the value of f equal to 3 in these functions. We find the value of this is equal to 30. Is given that let A is the set of element minus 1, 0, 2, 3 and B is the set of 1, 2, 5, 8, 9, 10. Now fx is given it x, y such that y is equal to x square plus 1. X belong to A, y belong to B. It means we have put the value of x, then we put the value of in A and get the result in a B. It means y. So now we have find the element of these questions, all element of these. So now it is the relation y is equal to x square plus 1. Put x is equal to this value of x. Now x belong to a है, it means a की सभी वैल्यू चेंज into x. So then we put the value of x is equal to minus 1, 0, 2, 3 in a first. We have find the value of y. Y is equal to minus 1 square is 1 plus 1 we get 2. Y is equal to 0 plus 1 1. Y is equal x is equal to 2. We put the value of this 2 का square 4 plus 1 5. Then we put the value of 3. 3 square is 9 plus 1 10. Now we have write in the set of ordered pair for all elements. Now firstly we check these value we obtained 2, 1, 5 and 10 is belong to B, yes, yeah, no. If any value not belong to B, then we left these value. So now these value 2, 1, 5, 10. 2, 1, 5, 10 belong to B. This means all value belong to Y. So now the ordered pair, element of these write in the form of, we put the value -1, we get a 2, 0, 1 and 2, 5, 3, 10. These are the element of these functions. In question number 6, he said that f is equal to 1, 1, 2, 3, 0, -1, -1, 3 is a function integer to integer. It means z to z is said that integer to integers. We have find a linear function. Now in these questions we have find a function, and in these questions we are given a relation या functions. यहाँ functions आपको दिया हुआ है, यहाँ function हमने निकालना है. Opposite work of these two questions. Now this is said that it is a linear function. Let we take y is equal to ax plus b is a linear function. हमने y is equal to ax plus b एक linear functions लिया. इस linear functions के अंदर it is given that this is the value of x, this is the value of y, x, y. Then we have find it is position our. हमने सपोज किया कि ये कोई एक लीनियर फंक्शन है. इस लीनियर फंक्शंस के अंदर हम x और y की वैल्यू पुट करके और a और b की वैल्यू निकालेंगे और a और b की वापिस वैल्यू इसी फंक्शंस के अंदर पुट करके हम लीनियर फंक्शन फाइंड आउट करेंगे. देखिए कैसे. It is given x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. It is given the mapping of these functions. Put in first. इस फर्स्ट के अंदर हमने x की जगह 1 और y की जगह 1 पुट किया. तो y की वैल्यू 1. It means a multiply 1 plus b. So then a plus b is equal to 1. This is your equation number 2. Now second order pair say that this is the value of x, this is the value of y. We put x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3. So now put x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3 in again first. We put this value y is equal to 3, 3 is equal to 2 a multiply 2 plus b. We find the value 3 is equal to 2a plus b. This is your equation number 3rd. Now we solve these two equations for a and a b. So now a plus b is equal to 1, 2a plus b is equal to 3. Now solve these equations, both these equations by any method we discuss in class 10. Now we separate these two equations. This is this equation, subtract these minus, 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 then b cancel to b, we get the value of a equal to minus a equal to minus 2, a is equal to 2. Put a equal to 2 in second equation. This is your second. 2 plus b is equal to 1, b is equal to 1 minus 2, b is equal to minus 1. This is the value of a. Now we put a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 1 in equation first. If we put this value in equation first, this is your equation first. Y is equal to a x plus b, it is the equation first. Y is equal to 2 multiply x plus the value of b is minus 1. We get the 2x minus 1. So y is equal to 2x minus 1 or fx is equal to 2x minus 1 is a linear function in which linear functions the value of mapping these we find the value of these. If we check it, this function x put is equal to 1 in these functions, 2 multiply 1 minus 1 we get the value of a 1. If we put 2 then we find the value of a 3. This is your question number 6. 7 we have tell these are the given function y is equal to 3x4 minus 5x square plus 6. These are four questions, and we tell these functions are even and odd. Now we tell the even and odd functions. Then fx is equal to given function. We replace x by minus x. x के स्थान पर हम माइनस एक्स पुट करेंगे. अगर माइनस एक्स पुट करने से फंक्शंस की वैल्यू सेम एज इट इज जैसे पहले है वैसे रहे, तो मैंने बताया था कि इवन फंक्शन हर चेंज होती है तो देन इट इज द ओड फंक्शन. तो we replace x by minus x in these functions. 3 into minus x की 4, 5 into minus x whole square plus 6. Minus and these are the even numbers. When नेगेटिव की पावर इवन नंबर होती है देन साइन चेंज इनटू पॉजिटिव, एंड देन ओड नंबर देन इट इज नेगेटिव. तो देन साइन चेंज टू पॉजिटिव वी गेट x4, and this is also even number and negative sign. Then this is also positive, we get 3x4 minus 5x square plus 6. Now f minus x is equal to fx. So then this function we put the value of negative, it is also remain same of these function. Then this is called your even function. In second part, fx is equal to 2x cube plus 5x. Now it is also check even या odd. Then we replace in this function x by minus x. तो 2 into minus x की whole power 3 plus 5 into minus x. Here the value of these is 3. It is a odd number. Then odd number, this negative sign say that negative take 3 times, so then this value is a negative. It means if the power is a odd number, then these signs negative, then even number these are positive. So then we write it minus 2x cube. This positive negative is negative minus 5x. Now we take negative to common out, we get 2x cube plus 5x. This is the same function we are given here. It means it is equal to fx. But here the negative sign is common out, then function is changed with their sign, then this is your odd function, and third and fourth part are same of these